Hey guys. Ew, my hair. I'm sorry. It's actually nighttime and it's raining, but I wanted to film this video because I haven't filmed a video in a really long time, and I just wanted to give y'all some more content. So I got my boxycharm in the mail. Here's all the products. And then the theme this month is All Access. So, I did all my face stuff, so like foundation, bronzer. I forgot to do blush. I'm using this one, by the way. My favorite. I've been really like adding a lot of blush lately. Okay, I've done all my face stuff, so now I just have to do eyeshadow and eyebrows. So, what should we start with? Let's start with eyebrows. The first thing is this $1 billion brow pen. And this retails for $18. It's in the color dark. Here it is. How do I? Ooh. Okay, I've never used this kind of pen before, but it's supposed to be like a microbladed look. So as you can see, my eyebrows are very overgrown. So we're just gonna try our best with this, because if you can hear the thunder, I'm sorry. Ready? I don't know if I'm doing this right. Did I brush them out? I mean, maybe? Is that? I think that looks okay. It's very liquidy, so it feels weird to apply, but I don't know if I'm doing it right, but now let's do the other one. What do we think? I think it's okay. I feel like they look more natural, so I like this. Next, we're gonna do eyeshadow. And it came with 5 brushes. Oh my god. I'm just trying to film a video. Let's pull them out. Ooh. Here they are. So we have a smudge brush, a shade brush, line brush, a crease brush, and a detail brush. Did I say that? I don't know. Okay, but my favorite brush of all time is the same brand. So I'm very excited. Can't find it, but to try it out. So I'm gonna use the crease. The names are literally on here. The crease brush. And the box also came with this Violet Voss palette. Let's start with sand. Okay, so sand is on. Oh, What look do I want to go for? Let's do terracotta. It kind of looks like mac and cheese, but like, I'm into it. Cinnamon next. The detail brush. Do I want to use a detail brush? No. We're gonna use the same crease brush for cinnamon. Yo, I don't know what I'm doing. Let's be crazy and put some gold on our lid with the shade brush. Okay, let's add a little bit of setting spray on it. Try again. And then we're going to blend it out with the same brush we used, crease brush. Blend, blend, blend. That's all I gotta say. Blend it up. Be a little crazy and put some color under our eye. Terracotta again with the smudge brush. So our eye look is done. I'm going to now, the box also came with an eyeliner. This forgot to tell you. So the palette is $29. The brushes were $27. And then the eyeliner I'm going to use is $20. Hank and Henry. Personally, I like to add mascara before eyeliner. Okay, I did my mascara. So now we can use our eyeliner. So exciting. I can get it open. Here it is. Hank and Henry. Ooh. It's black eyeliner, but this is brown, so that's a little confusing. Anyway, let's see it. Why is the thunder so loud? Wow, I really like this eyeliner. It's really easy to use. Is pigmented the right word? It's very easy to apply. And also the last thing that you get in the box this month is this Hydrobionic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So cute. Oh, it's Dr. Brandt. Before bedtime, and I'm about to go to bedtime. Now that I have makeup on, I might as well put some lip stuff on. For fun. Open. Yeah, you can just put some chapstick. There we go. I bet this looks really bad, like I can't even tell. Okay. I have this L'Oreal Paris, like a liquid lipstick. So we're just gonna use that. Oh, I put too much. Oh, yeah. okay, this is the finished look. I would add lashes, but I'm tired. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be back with better quality videos. I'm sorry, I just wanted to get this out before the end of September. I'm in school right now and I have 2 jobs, so it's really hard to balance everything. But I'm going to try my best, and I'll see you guys next time. If you like this video, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys.